Welcome to Bobrick's installation video for our B-824 SureFlo automatic liquid soap dispenser. Before beginning, review the installation instructions included in the product carton. For new installation, use the mounting template to mark the location of the dispenser and drill a 1 3/8 inch diameter hole through the countertop. Place the counter gasket over the mounting hole. Insert the stem with the clear plastic tube and all fiber optic cables through the mounting hole. From below the counter, keep the clear plastic tube and the fiber optic cables inside of the wave washer and the mounting nut. Install the wave washer and the mounting nut onto the stem. Do not tighten the mounting nut yet. Thread the stem locking nut onto the stem. The ribs on the nut are to be toward the top. Make sure the fiber optic cables and the plastic tubing are outside of the stem locking nut. Once the nut goes past the 2 red O-rings, it will automatically stop threading. Attach the clear plastic tubing to the top barb of the duckbill housing. Align the flat section of the stem with the flat section on the bottle cap. Push the bottle assembly up onto the stem while also inserting the duckbill housing into the hole in the post on the bottle cap. Fully insert the bottle assembly over the stem until the bottle stops. Both red O-rings must be inside the bottle cap. Push upward on the bottle until the bottle no longer rotates. Thread the stem locking nut down onto the bottle cap. Lightly tug on the clear plastic tube on the duckbill housing to make sure it is straight. Insert the fiber optic connector tip into the bottom housing. Thread the fiber optic nut onto the connector port and tighten. Place the fiber optic cable cover over the loose fiber optics to conceal them. Do not bend or kink the fiber optic cables. Align the top assembly above the counter to the desired position and tighten the mounting nut against the bottom of the counter. Make sure the fiber optic cables are not wedged between the counter and the mounting nut. Mount the battery pack on the wall and install 4 D-cell alkaline batteries. Plug the power supply into the bottom housing base. Make sure the unit is working by placing your hand in front of the sensor and checking for LED lights. Installation is now complete. Inside of the packaging is an operator packet. Make sure to give this to the facility personnel. Thank you for watching the installation video for the B-824 SureFlo automatic liquid soap dispenser. Bobrick, building value since 1906.